Tyler 16-bit here, back with another video. And it's been a couple months, but I'm back again. And this is an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. As you can see right there, right here. And it's the Mario Kart World Bundle. Alright, let's check out the side of the box here. Someone holding the system. Nintendo logo there. Well, upside down from the point of view that I'm turning it. And some more people playing there with the Joy-Cons. And I've already pulled the tab there because it was taped shut, so I cut the tape and already pulled the tab out. But anyway, let's get into it. Alright, you can obviously see the tablet part of the system and the new Joy-Cons. Here's some setup information there. Plug it in and set it up. Self-explanatory, really. Alright, let's get the Joy-Cons out first. Yeah, so I mean, it's still in the plastic, obviously, but yeah, just holding it, it feels pretty good. And that this is the one that goes on the left. Now let's get the one that goes on the right, which is the neon red, and the other one is the neon blue. And here comes the console itself, again, the tablet part of the system. Oh, I should probably be holding it this way, since the blue is on the left and the red is on the right. And these Joy-Cons are obviously magnetic. They no longer slide in each side. Got the USB-C port on the bottom, and on the top here, come on, focus, there we go, got some more ventilation, another USB-C port, and these are where the games go on the right side here on the top. Oh, and here's the volume and the on and off buttons. And on the back of it here, it says Nintendo Switch 2. And you can kind of see the outline there of the new kickstand. So yeah, let's get to the rest of the box. Well, actually, is there something right here? I think there's something right here. Oh, scratch off for download code. Okay, yeah, I was kind of concerned there for a second, because I just opened this up and there's the download code for Mario Kart World right here, which I will definitely be using. Yeah, how to redeem it. 16 character download code. It is not this at the bottom or that, but yeah, put that aside. Here we have the instructions, information and usage guidelines. And this is the HDMI cable, ultra certified cable, ultra high speed, all that good stuff. And these are what you put on the Joy-Cons to kind of make them more comfortable to use if you're using a single Joy-Con, or if you're using it in the mouse mode, so it'll slide easier. Alright, let's get that out of the way. This should be the AC adapter. Yep. Yeah, you plug in the USB-C cable from the system or the dock, and you plug it in here, and thankfully it's detachable this time, just in case the cable malfunctions for some reason. Here is that. This should be the Joy-Con grip, which is just a plastic grip that holds both Joy-Cons on each side and makes it to where you can basically use it as a controller. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. We're already about 7 minutes in, and I'm trying to get through this as quickly as possible, so that way anyone watching who just got the Switch 2 can also go back and play it. And this is the dock here. You can see here it has more rounded corners, and yeah, it's obviously a little bit bigger because the Switch 2 is a little bit bigger. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you all take care.